was a dame in love with a guy. She stuck to him but didn't know why. Everyone blamed her, still they all named her Lou, Lou, Lou. He gave her nothing, she gave him all. But when he had his back to the wall, who fought to save him, smiled and forgave him? Lou, Lou, Lou. He got a break and went away to get a new start. But poor kid, she never got a break except the one way down in her heart. Maybe somewhere in heaven above, there's a reward for that kind of love. Angels will blame her, they too will name her Lou, Lou, Lou.